Children, today's worksheet number 33, spherical lens and refraction of light. In this worksheet we will discuss about types of spherical lens and laws of refraction. First, there are two types of spherical lens. First, convex lens and second, concave lens. Convex lens are thin from corners and thick at center, and they are converging lens. They converge the beam of light at a point. Second, concave lens. These are thick from corners and thin at center. सेंटर में से पतले होते हैं और कॉर्नर्स से मोटे होते हैं. These are diverging lens. They diverge the beam of light. Now, rules for image formation by convex and concave lens. There are three rules. First one, a ray of light parallel to principal axis of a convex lens always passes through the focus on the other side of the lens. अगर कोई रे ऑफ लाइट प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के पैरेलल आ रही है तो आफ्टर रिफ्रैक्शन ये कहाँ से पास थ्रू होती है? फोकस ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ द लेंस. सेकेंड, a ray of light parallel to the principal axis of a concave lens. अगर concave lens में ये parallel principal axis के parallel आ रही है ray of light, then it appears to diverge from principal focus located on the same side of the lens. कैसी प्रतीत होती है? It appears to diverge from principal focus which is situated on the same side of the lens. Third, a ray of light passing through the optical center of either lens. कॉन्केव हो या कॉन्वेक्स हो, किसी भी लेंस के ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से पास होने वाली रे ऑफ लाइट विदाउट डेविएशन पास थ्रू होती है, उसमें कोई डेविएशन नहीं होता. नाउ लेंस फार्मूला. व्हाट इज द लेंस फार्मूला? 1/v minus 1/u equal to 1/f. मैग्नीफिकेशन फार्मूला क्या होता है बच्चों? m इक्वल टू हाइट ऑफ द इमेज अपॉन हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. तो हाइट ऑफ द इमेज और हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट की रेशो को हम क्या कहते हैं? मैग्नीफिकेशन फार्मूला. पावर ऑफ लेंस. यूनिट ऑफ पावर इज डायोप्टर डिनोटेड बाय d. पावर ऑफ लेंस मीन्स p इक्वल टू 1/f. वी शुड टेक f in meter. p is the power, f is the focal length of the lens. Imagine you have to concern or you have to see the NCERT books for the image formation or ray diagrams of the images. Now, laws of refraction. The incident ray, first one is the incident ray, refractive ray, and normal to the interface of two transparent medium at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. तो इंसिडेंट रे और रिफ्रैक्टिव रे और नॉर्मल टू द इंटरफेस ऑफ टू ट्रांसपेरेंट मीडियम के इंटरफेस पर जो नॉर्मल हम ड्रॉ करते हैं एट द पॉइंट ऑफ इंसिडेंस ऑल लाई इन द सेम प्लेन. Second, the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is constant for a given pair of medium and color of light. एक निश्चित कलर ऑफ लाइट के लिए पेयर और निश्चित पेयर ऑफ मीडियम के लिए जो रेशो ऑफ साइन ऑफ एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस एंड एंगल ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन इज ए कांस्टेंट. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? इसे हम कहते हैं, इस नियम को लॉ, स्नेल्स लॉ. दिस लॉ इज नोन एज स्नेल्स लॉ. नाउ रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स. रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स क्या होता है बच्चों? रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स means the ratio of speed of light in the given pair of medium. And equal to speed of light in one medium and upon speed of light in second medium. So this ratio of speed of light in two medium is called refractive index. What is absolute refractive index? Refractive index of medium with respect to vacuum or air. So n equal to c upon v. C is the speed of light in vacuum or air and v is the speed of light in medium. Ratio of this is called absolute refractive index. Now we will practice the question. Where should an object be placed in front of a convex lens to get the real image of same size of the object? So where should an object is placed? So object should be placed at 2f1 to obtain image real and of same size. हमें ऑब्जेक्ट को कहाँ रखना पड़ेगा? At 2f1. 2f1, if we place object at 2f1, image will be formed at 2f2 and of the same size and real or inverted. Question number 2. A spherical lens has focal length of positive 15 or plus 15 centimeter. What is the type of lens? If the focal length of the spherical mirror is plus 15 centimeter, it means it is a convex lens. Question number 3. Which one of the following material cannot be used to make lens? Water, glass, plastic and clay. Clay can't be used for making lens, so correct answer is clay. Question number 4. How does the size of image changes as the object is brought closer to convex lens? So when the object is brought closer to from infinity towards the convex lens, the size of the image increases or size of the image will increase. Question number 5. Draw ray diagram. You have to draw ray diagram. We will discuss, we will draw these ray diagram later on. First, we will discuss these questions. Define the following terms. You have to define these terms. Optical center of the lens. तो ऑप्टिकल सेंटर ऑफ द लेंस क्या होता है? सेंट्रल पॉइंट ऑफ अ लेंस इज कॉल्ड इट्स ऑप्टिकल सेंटर. So central point or mid point of the lens is called central point. Optical center, it is represented by letter O. Focus of lens. Focus of lens क्या होती है? When rays parallel to the principal axis gets refracted by convex lens, they converge to a point on the principal axis. This point is called focus of the convex lens. Next, define the power of lens. The power of lens is plus 2 diopter. Find the focal length of the lens. Define power of lens. What do you mean by power of lens? Power of lens is defined as the reciprocal of the focal length. Reciprocal of the focal length means P equal to P is power, F is focal length, P is equal to 1 upon F, and value of P is given to 2, so F will be 1 upon 2 because it is reciprocal of the power. 1 upon 2, it means 0.5 meter. Your next question, a nature of lens. You have to ask nature of lens. So nature of lens will be, it will be convex lens because the power is positive and focal length is positive, so it will be convex lens. Now we have to draw the pictures. We can draw these pictures in this way. These are the question answer given to you. These are the question answer of. We will discuss these answer. So you have to focus on these ray diagrams. These are the ray diagrams. First one is object is placed at infinity. When object is placed at infinity, then the image will be formed at focus, and point size means highly diminished, real and inverted. Second, when the object is placed beyond the 2f1. When it is placed beyond the 2f1, the image will be formed between the f2 and 2f2. Image will be diminished, छोटी होगी, and real and inverted. In third case, if we placed object between 2f1 and f1, then image will be formed beyond the 2f2. It is enlarged, real and inverted. Fourth, when object at focus, object is placed at focus, image will be at the infinity, highly enlarged, real and inverted. So these are the 4 ray diagrams. Fifth one is when the object is placed between F and O, optical center and F1. So then image on the same side of the lens as the object and enlarge image, virtual and erect. This image will be erect, सीधी बनेगी, so it will be virtual and very large or enlarged image. Next, when object is placed at 2f1, when object is placed at 2f1, image will be at 2f2 and same size of the object and real and inverted. So these are the 6 images formed by the convex lens. You can also see these ray diagrams in your NCERT books, or you can draw these ray diagrams with the help of these diagrams. Thanks for watching.